Do you ever cringe when you hear a storm rolling through? Or find yourself putting off maintenance just one more year, hoping that your facilities will make it through? At Garland, we specialize in the things that keep you up at night, and we've been solving those problems for our customers for more than 120 years. We may be known around the industry for high-performance roofing, but know that owning and managing a property is about more than roof leaks. We understand the day-to-day challenges of owning, managing, and designing buildings. That's why our top-quality products address the complete building envelope, restoring an aging roof, installing beautiful new wall panels, sealing walls and windows, or repairing masonry cracks, maintaining parking garages and decks. Garland's one-stop shop makes finding the right solutions easy. And our best product of all is the unique service provided by our local representatives. Our highly trained team is always there to customize this vast product line for each building's needs, identifying the most efficient and effective solution and then overseeing professional workmanship. The team at Garland can take inventory, take action, and take the worry out of managing your building. More than a manufacturer, Garland is a partner. Visit us online at garlandco.com or give us a call to set up an appointment with your local representative.